This week I'm answering a subscriber question. Not in the comments, not with the 3-paragraph reply no one reads, but properly on a video. Because the question is a good one, and honestly, it's something a lot of you will run into. The questions were: how do you get the text from a Word into Affinity Layout? What happens to text styles when you bring Word text into Layout? And how do you update your Affinity Layout after the text changes in Word? If you ever worked with long documents, client edits, or just one small change emails, then yes, this one's for you. And quick note, if you ever have a longer or more complex questions about Affinity Layout, drop it in the comments. If it's a quick fix, I'll answer you there. If it deserves a proper explanation, I'm happy to turn it into its own video. Alright, let's get into it. The first one is quite simple. I'm using Google Word, but if you have a regular Word, the rules stay the same. So first you save the file. So if you're using Google, then you have to download Microsoft Word. It's .docs file. So let's save it. Let's put it on the desktop, like always. And we are almost done. Then open Affinity. And here is File, Place, and wherever you saved your file, click on it, open, and drag it on your page. Or click Command or Control Shift M and click on your file, open, and drag it onto your page. And this is how you get your Word file into Affinity Layout. Now, the next question were, what happens to text styles when you bring Word text into Layout? Like we know, there's two kind of Word users. One just select the text and they change the font size, maybe they change the font. In this case, it's a little bit more complicated. You have to search your headlines and subheadings, chapter names, whatever. But more professional Word users, they are using headings. And headings are what you can see here under heading 1, 2, 3. And here I have put heading 1 here. Subheading is heading 3. Chapter name is heading 4. And what did I... Okay, here is headline. This headline is heading 2. And now if you have placed it in your Affinity Layout, then you see under text styles, there's lots of different styles, and you might not find your Word text styles. So how to fix it is go to this little arrow here, click on it, and click Delete Unused Styles. And now you see only those styles that Word has. From here, it's quite easy to change. Just double click on it. Here's a font family. Let's just for tutorial purposes put something here. Let's do this one, and okay. And now you can see headlines have changed. Oh, I have only one page. Let's put some more pages in. Okay. And now what you can do is hold down Alt or Option and click on this little arrow here, and the text that's hidden jumps to the next page. Now what else we have here? Subheading, and you can see from the text styles it's heading 3. Click on it, and let's put something here too. Let's do it like this, and no, let's put it something like this. and okay. And you can see that it has changed every subheading we have on the page. Okay, let's move on. Chapter name is heading 4. Double click. Let's put something here. Let's change the font size. Let's do it like this. And the last one, heading 2. Let's put here 2 something. What do we want? Let's do like this. And change font size. Okay, this font doesn't have numbers. And what else? Oh, and here you can see there's normal, and you can even change that one. Let's do Montserrat. Let's change it light. And okay, now you can see that you have changed every style that Word has. So basically, when Word file is done correctly, it's very easy to change all the styles however you want them to be. And now the last question were, how do you update your Affinity layout after the text changes in Word? Let's do that. Let's go to our Word. Let's write something here. This is our YouTube video tutorial. Okay, now let's download it again or save it. If you have a Word, just save it, oversave your file. The point is that it have to be with the same name. Save and replace. But the problem right now is that you don't see any changes. Why is that? So what do you have to do before is go to document setup. It's here on the left corner, document setup. Open it and this window pops open. Scroll down and here you can see import text files as linked. Check this one and preserve text styles. Check that one too. And click OK. And nothing happened. So what now? Let's delete the files. Oh, sorry. Let's delete the text. Again, Command Shift M. Let's bring it in again. Like this. And like you see, it's already recognizes all the styles that this Word file has. Like this one, heading 1, you see, heading 1, we change it to this font, and it already recognized everything. So, and you see, this is the new text we put here. And let's change this file one more time. The text I want. Oh, this is a new text I want. Let's do it like this. Now save it, or if you are using Google, download it. And again, if you are using Google, be sure that the file name stays the same. And now if you click the save, replace, and like you can see here already, linked resource changed. And you can actually click on this, and this window pops open. And now you see your Word file here. Here's actually you can change images in Resource Manager too, but we are using text right now. So Affinity Tutorial Word, And here you can see update. Click on update and the text has changed. Now let's do this properly in the beginning. So if you are doing a new file, put your settings in here, your paper size, color format, color profile, what we have already talked about, your margins, your bleed. And actually here already you can check import text files as linked and preserve text styles and create document. Now Command Shift M or File Place. Get your file, open, drag it on the page. Let's do one page more. Then option, click on this arrow, it jumps here. Now you can click on this little arrow, delete unused styles. So it deletes Affinity Layout default styles, and there's only word styles here, what you can see right now. And let's do this one. Okay, subheading 3. Maybe this one. Okay, and chapter. Let's change it here, like this. And now the client sends you new file with new paragraphs or whatever they changed it there. So this is changed file, and let's download it again with the same name. Save, replace, and let's go to Resource Manager. Here you see your file, update, and close. And you see this is changed file. So I hope this tutorial helped you. And if you have more questions, feel free to ask and I'm happy to answer. See you in the next video. Bye!